Here's the materials I'm starting with. Some steel and micarta. This is 6150 spring steel. Tracing the springs, the bolsters, the blade, of course, the micarta scales, and the steel liners. And now I'm cutting them all out. The cutting disc on the grinder makes quick work of profiling these small parts. There's the nail mark, which will allow you to open the pocket knife with your thumbnail. And now I'm just drilling holes in the blades and springs. Putting together the scales, attaching bolsters to the liners. These are just peened over. And now I'm just grinding those micarta scales to fit and drilling them together for the pins that attach the scales to the liner. Now I'm grinding the blade. This is just rough grinding on a stone. About 46 grit. Pop, there's the maker's mark, and into the quench. This is hardening the steel, and we reheat the steel afterwards to a lower temperature. You can see the blue color for the spring temper there, just to draw back the temper a little bit. And now just cleaning up all the parts and polishing them. We have 2 completed scales now. Now I position the blade and spring in the open position and drill hole positions 1 and 2 on the spring. The third position in the rear bolster is drilled slightly rearward and off-center, which results in the spring tensioning when a tapered pin is driven into it. And there you have it. We have a completed pocket knife. Putting that final edge on. And there she is. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.